Have you been wondering which programming language you should learn in 2025? With so many options out there, it can be confusing to figure out where to start or which one will actually boost your career. Whether you're just starting out, switching fields, or leveling up your skills, this video is for you. We'll cover Python, Rust, Go, and TypeScript, what they're best for, pros and cons, and who should learn them. 1. Python. Still a top choice in 2025. Easy to read-write, great for beginners, massive libraries and community used in AI, web dev, automation, data science. If you're new to coding or working in AI or general development, Python is gold. 2. Rust, loved for speed and memory safety. Great for system-level programming, ideal for performance-heavy apps, game engines, safer than C++. If you're into low-level dev or want to stand out at big tech companies, Rust is powerful. 3. Golang, built by Google for simplicity and speed. Excellent for backend, cloud, and DevOps handles concurrency like a pro-clean syntax and fast performance. If you're building scalable server-side apps, Go is a smart pick. 4. TypeScript JavaScript, but better. Adds structure and type safety, reduces bugs, improves dev experience, perfect for React, Angular, Vue. If you're working in web development, TypeScript is a must. Each language shines in its own area. Choose based on your goals. Let me know in the comments, which language will you learn in 2025? Like, follow, and stay tuned for more dev content. Until next time, happy coding!